There are four dirty little secrets about real estate that you should know before you take classes at the wrong school. Some schools try to distract or confuse you by bragging about their pass rates. Dirty secret number one, and what they don't tell you and don't want you to know, is that your ability to pass the state exam has nothing to do with how successful you'll be in real estate. Good grades don't guarantee success, and everybody knows that. Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Lady Gaga, Steve Jobs, Oprah Winfrey, and many, many more highly successful people dropped out of school. Dirty secret number two is your license guarantees you nothing, but they don't want you to know that either. Well, what does that mean? It means I'm a real estate broker. I've been licensed since 1985. I've listed and sold hundreds of homes. I've been on hundreds of listing presentations, and I have never been asked the difference between accretion and erosion. Or how many square feet are in an acre. What I was asked was, how will you market our home? Will you sell it for top dollar? Will you negotiate best price for us? See, your sellers and buyers are going to want you to have a business education, like marketing, sales, and negotiations. They don't care what your exam score was. The other thing these schools don't want you to know is that the failure rate in real estate is above 80%. That's right, and that's big ugly secret number three that licensing schools hope you never discover. But now you know. They brag about how many people passed the exam, but not how many are no longer in the business because they failed to ever sell a house. Dirty secret number four, and the last thing they don't want you to know and desperately hope you never find out, is that they don't know what to do about it. Now don't get me wrong, they're smart people, but most of them have never been on a listing presentation or had a buyer in their car. Most don't even own investment property and have never done any real estate development. In fact, they hired a person with real experience to write their courses for them. Experience is the best teacher, and everybody knows that too. Hi, my name is Wayne Morgan, and my wife Lynn and I have owned and operated the Real Estate Business School since 1989. The other real estate schools in Texas were not preparing their students for the real world of real estate. So we purchased the school and we did it ourselves. We've been involved in thousands of transactions, written over 25 books and truck-approved courses, represented developers and builders, managed the largest real estate office in Austin, invested in more properties than we can even remember, and are currently developing 2 tracts of land where we live in Lakeway. That is the experience we bring to the classroom and beyond. We're the only licensing school in Texas that includes 33 hours of mentoring in your Get Started package. We will get you licensed, and then we will teach you how to use it to be the success you want to be. The Real Estate Business School is where you get your license and learn to use it. Now go mind your own business.